Hi friends! Today I will show you how to access databases on the Harper College Library website. A database is a collection of information, usually articles. This is where you will look when you have an assignment that requires you to research a topic or find articles. From the library homepage, hover over the Research tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Databases. This brings you to an alphabetical list of databases. You can also sort by subject or database type. Hover over this black circle if you want to learn more about a specific database. When you find a database you think will be useful, click on it. You will receive an off-campus access prompt. Type in your MyHarper Student Portal username and password and you will be redirected to the database. Now you can begin your search. Remember, always contact a librarian if you need help.